Welcome to a new era of presentation design. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the power of AI-driven creativity with Gamma and Go AI. Whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, or entrepreneur, this guide will show you how to craft visually stunning and professional slides in minutes, not hours. Get ready to explore tools that think with you, design for you, and make your ideas shine like never before. Let's unlock the magic of smart presentations, creatively and effortlessly. Let's move to our first tool, Gamma AI. To begin, open your browser and search for Gamma AI. Click on the official website link and sign in using your Google account or email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where the magic begins. On the home screen, look for the option that says Paste in Text. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your presentation topic. Just type in the subject you want to create a presentation on. For example, the importance of digital marketing. Once you've added your topic, you'll see a few format options. Select Traditional, then click Continue to let Gamma AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, Gamma will automatically generate your presentation content, complete with titles, bullet points, and summaries, all tailored to your topic. After reviewing the generated content, click Continue again, and now it's time to select the design style. Choose the one that matches your goal, and click Generate. Your professional presentation will now be created within seconds. The beauty of Gamma AI lies in how customizable it is. You can edit any slide, change text, replace images, or even adjust the layout based on your needs. Just click on any section you'd like to modify. Once you're happy with your final presentation, click on the three-dot menu, three dots, at the top right corner. From here, you can download your presentation in the format of your choice. And that's it! In just a few simple steps, Gamma AI helps you go from idea to presentation. Let's move to our second tool, Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser. In the search bar, type your presentation topic, followed by PPT. We'll instantly show you a variety of ready-made templates related to your search. You can either choose from these beautiful pre-designed templates or start from scratch by clicking on the blank presentation option. Now comes the content part. For this, I'm heading over to ChatGPT to generate the main points and text for my topic. Once I have my content ready, I return to Canva to begin editing. Let's start with the first slide. Replace the placeholder text with your actual topic. Simply paste the heading you got from ChatGPT. You can also customize the font style, size and color to match your theme and give your slide a personalized touch. Next, to make your slide more visually appealing, go to the Elements section and search for a relevant image. Once you find one that fits your topic, add it as the background image. To make sure your text stands out, reduce the transparency of the background image slightly. After finishing your first slide, move on to the second slide and follow the same process. Add your next piece of content, search for a matching image, and edit the text and layout accordingly. To save time, I'll now speed up the editing process so you can see how I apply the same steps across all the slides, maintaining a consistent, clean, and attractive format. It's time to click on Present or Preview to see the final look of your presentation. And that's how you can transform your ideas into powerful visuals using Gamma AI and Canva. The perfect duo for modern presentations. If this tutorial sparked your creativity, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered design tips and tricks.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.